everyone, it's Nathy. Welcome back. Today I decided to do my take on a mermaid look for Halloween. The light is kind of drowning me out. Let me see. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of purple, a lot of like blues going on. The lips are a little more red than I intended, but this is my take on a mermaid style makeup for Halloween. I say in my video you could add a little beaded clip right here. I went really intense with the highlight, as you can see, because mermaids like shiny things. So anyways, if you want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Thanks. Alright, so I think I am ready. Let me see if we need this light. Yeah, it's helpful. I need to find my other lights. I don't know where they are. So, okay. Fresh, clean face. I think I'm going to start with the eyes, if I can see where my primer is. So we're just going to start priming the lids. I'm just using that NYX Proof It, and I'm pulling out a mirror because I will need it. So I thought this would be a fun look to do for those of you that love color. I'm calling it like mermaid, but I guess you could always kind of be a fairy too, just with the colors, but or you could use it for like an 80s type look. A different take on the 80s. Whatever floats your boat, but we're gonna go with a mermaid. So we're gonna set that with just the super matte Revlon powder and a powder brush. I tried to style my hair today wavy, so it would have that kind of wavy look. I don't know. My hair is either too long or something, because the waves are real stretched out. So for the eyes, I think I'm going to use a combination of these Huda Beauty palettes. This is the Amethyst Obsession and the Sapphire Obsession. So I do have inspiration here on my phone. I think I'm going to start with the pink. So the Amethyst Obsessions. Every time I sit on the floor, my legs fall asleep. So we're going to try and scooch this table over a little bit. All right, so I'm starting with this one. I'm going to grab a crease brush, and I'm going to go with this shade. So this palette doesn't have names, but this pink one right here. And I'm going to apply that to the crease. Now remember, this is a Halloween look, so there is no such thing as heavy-handed makeup with a Halloween look. I'm going to go in with this brighter pink right here. You can't really see in the video, but it is a little bit brighter. And then I'm going to combine both of them and bring it down to the outer V. Then I'm going to pop a little bit of this purple. I know it's a shimmery, but we're going to use that one in the outer V and blend it towards that crease shade. And I've noticed this palette has a lot of fallout. So annoying. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. All right, For the lid, I'm going to go with blue. So I'm going to switch over to the, what's that one called? Hold on. Let me get it real quick. So the blue Obsessions is called Sapphire Obsessions. I don't know why I spaced out on that. And we're going to go with a flat shader brush. And I'm going to go with shimmer. And I'm just going to use this blue right here. And I'm just going to pack that on the lid. If you heard that, that's my cat wanting some attention. Okay, I'm going to do my face before I do the rest of the eyes. And I'm just going to go with a regular foundation. So I'm going to use my Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. And this is in the shade Ivory, I believe. Put that all over my face. I know I had a beauty blender somewhere around here. Okay, blend that. I should have clipped my hair back, but oh well. So I'm not really going to contour, but for blush, I'm going to use a little bit of this liquid blush from Say Beauty. It's the color Rosy, and you can go ham with this because we're going to be mermaids. So I'm going to actually bring it up a little bit. And blend that up. Excuse me here. And then to be a little bit more dramatic with the brows, so I'm going to take my Halloween colors here. I'm going to take this pink and the blue. We're going to mix them. And I did not bring a brow brush, so we're going to use the one provided. So we're going to go in with the pink first and kind of fill in the brows. And then we're going to top it with that blue. And now I'm going to top it with the blue. Sorry, my legs are falling asleep. Alright, now we're going to grab some of that blue and put it over top. I know in this light you can't really see the brows, but they look pretty. Kind of look kind of purplish. I'll try to move the light down a little bit so you can see. So they look kind of purple, and I'm really loving it. Okay, so to be a little bit more crazy with the blush, we're actually going to go in with the same Halloween makeup. I'm going to go with a little sponge. I'm going to take the pink first, and then we're going to dab it right where I put that blush. And then whatever's left is going to be on that side. And then I think I might just do that just on this side because that's the side that shows. Then I'm going to top it with a little bit of blue. And I should have thought of that to do before I washed my hair. If we're planning on going to dinner, so that should be fun. So I'm going to put the blue right on top, just letting the pink still show. And then for highlight, I'm going with this. Sorry, I'm going to bring it down a bit. For highlight, I am going with this Makeup Geek Duochrome in Celestial. It's the perfect shade for this look because it's got some pinks and blues and purples in there. So since this is Halloween, we're going to go ham and apply a lot. Like that. Can you see that? I'll try to take a picture so you guys can see. And I'll put some highlight on the other side just to be kind of even. Then I'm going to go in. Oh, my foot is asleep. Have you experienced that little tingle from the sleeping foot? Okay. I'm going to go in with this pencil brush and I'm going to apply this as a brow bone highlight. Right there. And I'm going to put it as an inner corner highlight. Okay. Then for the under eyes, I'm going to take both of these palettes again and put some blue and purple underneath there. So I'm going to actually go with this blue one right here. And then I'm going to go in with the Amethyst palette, and I'm going to go with the shimmery pink right here. Actually, I need to use my color switch real quick. If you wanted to, you could add eyeliner. I think I'm going to keep it with, actually, do I want eyeliner? Let's just keep it without eyeliner, but you could do eyeliner if you wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and use my mascara, and I'm just using the Rimmel Waterproof Mascara. This is lengthening. If you have falsies, I would recommend adding them for that more dramatic effect. For lips, I'm going to go with the Resting Bitch Face shade from Lip Slut. It's a little more intense than I thought it was going to be, but I think it looks good. I'm going to actually top off my Cupid's bow with a little bit of that highlight. Like that, and then you can pair the outfit with a dress, and then if you have a cute little hair clip right here, I would do that. But anyways, this is my take on a mermaid look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.